Hi, everybody. This is Joey Heier, Crystal Clear Recording Studio and Video Production in downtown Philadelphia. I'm sitting here on behalf of the Recording Connection, teaching lessons about compression and limiting and noise gates and expansion. I'm here with a great student by the name of Gabe Claypoole. I'm going to pass the phone over to him. Hopefully he's going to say some nice things about the Recording Connection and the way that we pride ourselves in going through and making sure the students really learn the real correct definitions on how to use these tools so that we can be professional. Here we go. Thank you, Gabe.
What's going on, guys? I'd like to start off by saying that Joey is a great producer and he's the best teacher I could have ever wished for. So I was learning about compression, and it's basically simply volume control. You don't want your volume too loud to, get any distortions in there, or you don't want it as low so you're not hearing anything. And yeah, that's about it. I learned a lot and I'm ready to learn more. I'm very excited.
Thank you, Gabe.